It's a good question, actually. How fast is the fastest super yacht? Okay, so before I answer this question, let's get some perspective here. An average speed of a super yacht is about 18 to 20 knots, which is about 20 to 23 miles an hour, right? A super yacht that's considered fast is anything that does over 20 knots. So, for an example, Motor Yacht Dilbar, which I made a video about recently, about how much it takes to fill up with fuel, so you can check it out in the link. That does 22 knots, which for a vessel of its size is very impressive. Motor Yacht A, for instance, 21 knots. So this vessel I'm going to tell you about, when you hear the speed of it, you're going to assume it's a speedboat or small, like racing type boat, but it's not. It's a proper 42-meter super yacht, and it can hold 10 guests in 5 luxurious cabins. So now I've told you it's a proper super yacht and it's fast, right? Now you're probably thinking maybe it does 40, 50 miles an hour. You'd be way off. The vessel I'm talking about is the 42-meter Millennium Super Yachts, The World Is Not Enough, built in 2004, and it has a top speed of 70 knots or 82 miles an hour. And it can cruise at 57 miles an hour. So the owner is an American born in New York. His name is John Staluppi, and he made his fortune in the motor vehicle industry. But since then, he's built so many yachts. And also, if you've ever seen a yacht that's named after a James Bond movie, this is the guy that built it. So he's built, I think he's built 14 yachts. And The World Is Not Enough was the fastest yacht. He's always had a thing about speed. He's a car lover, so it's kind of understandable. And he talked about, in an interview, these sport fishing vessels that were really fast. He said some of the smaller ones could do 50 knots. He says he would come past on his super yacht, standing out on deck with a glass of martini and giving the nod to the guy as he went past. So this boat is powered by 2 Paxman 5,300 horsepower diesel engines and 2 Leyland 4,700 horsepower diesel engines. So in total it has over 20,000 horsepower. So like I mentioned before, I made a video recently about Dilbar, and in it I said about the power of Dilbar. Now Dilbar, which is a 156 meter, 16,000 gross ton super yacht, has a power output of 40,000 horsepower. Well, this vessel is 42 meters and 387 gross tons, and it has over 20,000 horsepower. So it has over half of the power of Dilbar for this little yacht. So in this interview, he talked about when they were testing it in sea trials and etc. Every time they tried to go up to the top speed, when they got to the top speed, after a couple of seconds, the vessel would spin out. He said it was like a wave runner. So can you imagine a 42-meter yacht spinning out like that? He said it was quite scary. Yeah, you can imagine all of the loose items and all of the the 5 cabins with all of this stuff in it, and this thing's spinning out like a wave runner. So he said after they did it a couple of times and after they span out a couple of times, they only ever went to 90% of the throttle, which gave them 65 knots or 74 miles per hour.